Hello, Sally and I are out here on a walk and we came upon a colony of mushrooms. Look at this one right here in particular. This cluster of two right here, that looks like a separate mushroom on the bottom, but that's actually peeling off from the base of the first one right there. This is 1 and 2. The gills on the underside of the mushroom have actually become exposed as the mushroom itself has dried up, and the gills on the underside are curling up around the outside, which is pretty interesting. Over here, here's a much fresher one, and you can see the gills are mostly still underneath and they're only showing up on the side a little bit, but this one they're like wrapping around the top. And then I noticed there's another set over here. These are also a little bit fresher, and then there's another one here and another one here, and these seem to be going in a circle because there aren't any on the inside of this circle. They seem to be going on a circle around this big dead old tree. It's actually not a very big tree, it's a pretty small tree, but it's been there long enough to grow to that height and die. The leaves that you see around it are actually connected to these trees over here, so this tree has no living leaves on it. So I noticed that these mushrooms that we were just looking at, they are growing mostly in a circle around the outside of this tree. And whoops, sorry Sal. Here's one, another one right there underneath Sally's hind leg there. And here's another set over here, all the same variety of mushroom. And they're probably the same organism. They're the same fungus. Most likely based off of the nutrients remaining in the decaying root matter of this dead old tree. So those mushrooms need a certain special condition to pop out of the ground. Here's another one. And that condition involves the nutrients coming out of the roots of this tree. And looking at this tree here, the root system is going to go way out. Any tree that size, and it's not a really big tree, its root system is going to go all the way out and around. And somewhere on the outer part of that root system, then the combination of nutrients and moisture from the soil, and whatever nutrients might be in the soil as well, make a perfect condition for this fungus to be supported and throw up its mushrooms, which sort of function like the flower of a plant, even though these are not plants. So I thought it would be interesting to share. This colony of mushrooms most likely belongs to one specific organism underground, where this tree has died. And there's another one with its gills exposed underneath. It's pretty cool. What do you think, Sal? Yeah, she's more interested in the woodpecker going by. And the deer that just ran through the woods before I started this video. All right, bye. Bye, Sal. Say bye. Yeah, okay.